Chapter 1. Spring. Lesson 1. Everything grows in spring.
Key words: sunshine, sprout, bloom, be born, fresh, look for.
Everything grows in spring. In spring, the weather gets warmer. The days become longer. There is more rain in spring. The spring weather brings new life everywhere. When plants get more sunshine and rain, they grow quickly. Trees sprout new leaves. Flowers bloom. Animals wake up from their long winter naps. Also, many baby animals are born. They have lots of fresh food and water. Many birds fly north in spring. They build nests and have babies. These parent birds have more daytime to look for food. Spring is special. It is the season of new life.
Lesson 2. A song for spring. Key words: season, quick, joyful, orchestra, fall, lightning. A song for spring. Antonio Vivaldi was a musician in Italy. He wrote songs about the 4 seasons. His song, Spring, has a famous part called Allegro. Allegro is the first part of the song. It sounds a lot like spring. Its rhythm is quick and joyful. In Allegro, violins make the cheerful sounds of birds. You can also hear the gentle wind. Then the whole orchestra creates the sound of falling rain. Later, one violin makes the sound of thunder and lightning. Finally, all the violins sound like birds singing again. Do you want to hear the sounds of spring? Listen to Vivaldi's Allegro.
Lesson 3. India's colorful spring festival.
Key words: bright, festival, powder, throw, messy, celebrate.
India's colorful spring festival. Bright colors are a wonderful part of spring. In March, there is a festival of color in India. It is called Holi. During Holi, people eat lots of sweet foods. They also sing and dance outside with their families and friends. People make colorful powders as well. They believe they look like the colors of spring. Then they throw them at each other. They also throw balloons. The balloons are filled with colored water. Everyone gets messy, but has lots of fun. Holi is a time when Indian people celebrate spring. How do you like to celebrate spring?
Lesson 4. The spring wind returns. Key words: magpie, steal, den, weasel, drag, promise. The spring wind returns. Many years ago, there was a very long, cold winter in Canada. A young boy wanted to feel the warm spring wind. He asked his animal friends, "Where is the spring wind?" Magpie said, "Bear stole the wind." So the boy said, "Let's find it." At night, they went to Bear's den. He was sleeping. Weasel saw the wind in a bag. Coyote dragged the bag out of the den. Then Chicken opened the bag with his beak. Suddenly, the warm spring wind came out. It woke Bear up. He promised that he would never steal the wind again. Everybody was happy to get spring back.